Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to create a Gmail account on your mobile phone. I will show you all steps you will need. Let's get started. Firstly, search for a browser you will be using, and also you should have a network connection for this to work. Let's use Google Chrome. Once you have found it, press on it. Wait for about 2 to 4 seconds to load and to be directed to your homepage. Next you are going to type in the search box the word Gmail. And then press on the search button. Now scroll up until you see where there is written create your Google account. If you found it, press on it. Now on the new interface you are seeing, you will have to enter all information they are asking you. To mean your names, email and also a password to protect your account from any unauthorized access of some other people. Be sure to use a strong password. It helps because other people won't be able to know your password easily. After you are done filling the required information, press on the next button to proceed. It will take 2 to 3 seconds to load. You should see another interface to fill in addition information. Now you will fill in your phone number, recovery email, your date of birth and also your gender. Fields of phone number and recovery email are optional. To mean you can fill them or not, but it would be best if you filled them. Press on the next button to continue if you have finished filling in your information. You should be directed to terms and conditions of creating a Google account. Once you finish reading all of them, just press on the I agree button. After you have finished all the process, you will now have your Gmail account. Thanks for watching.